In Contra, Costa, and Solano counties, 1 in 6 people, nearly 17% of the population, struggles with hunger. The Food Bank of Contra Costa and Solano helps by distributing food directly to over 130,000 people every single month. For example, our senior food program serves low-income seniors, age 55 and older, twice a month. The Food Bank of Contra Costa and Solano provides food to over 180 agencies in our communities. We receive, sort, and redistribute over 14 million pounds of food every year. Welcome to the Food Bank. My name is Dan, and you've arrived in the sorting room. Today I'm going to go over a few things which will be helpful. If you haven't already, please be sure to sign in. Also, if you can provide the volunteer agreement to me as well. At all times while in the food bank, please be sure to wear the volunteer tag. We've got just a few rules, and these are the important ones. We're going to divide you into 3 groups. The inspectors, the sorters, and the packers. The inspectors, they take food from the barrels, make sure it's okay, and then pass it on to the sorters. The sorters determine which category each item belongs to, and then place the item on the table in front of the correct box. The packers load the boxes and prepare them for distribution. Inspectors, if you find a can with a dent deeper than your thumb, throw it out. You can always ask a staff person if you have a question about a dented can. For packaged products, if the exterior packaging has been opened, but the inner seal is intact, we can use it. Set it aside so that it can be taped up. If the interior package is broken, throw it out. All packaging must have ingredient labels written in English. If it doesn't, throw it out. Inspectors, today we need to look at food because, as you know, food gets old. It loses its nutritional value after a period of time. So, we'll be looking at expiration dates today. And as you know, they're kind of tricky to find sometimes. Sometimes the date will be stamped on the top of the package. Sometimes the date will be written in really tiny letters on the bottom or side of the container. Wherever you find this date, if it indicates the item is more than 1 year old, throw it out. Now, some brands won't have expiration dates. That's okay, unless they're posted on this list. This list is also posted in several locations in the room. Albertsons, Carnation, Chicken to the Sea, Del Monte, Jell-O, Jiffy, Knorr, Libby's, Nutrisystem, Princella, Progresso, Rice-A-Roni, Starkist, Swanson, and S&W. These brands are not okay. Place the expired or damaged items in the yellow barrels. Place paper and plastic in the proper recycling bins. Now, sorters. After the items have been inspected, we need you to figure out what categories the items fit into. We got a lot of categories. Oatmeal goes into the cereal box. Canned milk goes into the baking box. Muffin mix goes in the baking box. Top ramen and cup of soup go in the pasta category. Cranberry sauce goes in the fruit box. All broths go in the soup box. Canned chicken goes in the ready-to-eat or RTE box. Any glass goes in the glass box. Ask a staff person where to place baby food, pet food, or any prescription or over-the-counter medications. The packers have an important job. They're the final quality control checkpoint before the food gets sent out. Be on the lookout for damaged or miscategorized items that may have slipped through the cracks. When placing cans into the box, make sure that the cans are upright. Also, make sure the box can close properly. Cans with pop-top lids may catch. To prevent that and stop leakage, we take the pop-tops, make sure they do not touch, face them away from one another, and place the cans into the box. I know there's a lot of stuff to remember, so if you have any questions, please ask a food bank staff member. We're here to help. The work you do today is very important. We and the thousands of people we serve, thank you.
Thanks for helping today.
Thank you.
Thank you.